I said, bald all white like Mr. Come on, bro. Bald all white like Mr. Clean. How about you hop on the fucking track, buddy? Yo, you know what's crazy? He was supposed to be a part of the original Bust Down Rollie Avalanche
what
song.
happened? You never did your verse?
We just never got to that standpoint.
Yeah.
That's to that point. But I definitely did call you for that.
Yeah.
I need you for some time now, bro. Will you say 2 years? 2021. I used to live. That was in my old house when I had called you.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. Damn.
You know what's even crazier?
What?
You're from the Bronx, bro.
Is that a
Like,
bad thing?